I'm Carrie Lawless, and we are Designaholics. On this channel, we teach DIY hacks, how to achieve high-end looks on a budget, and how to get the most money when you sell your home through staging. On today's DIY, we're doing a little crafty project because it's Good Friday and Easter is Sunday. So we're making some really cute garland, but we're using Dollar Tree flowers. So stay with us. We're going to show you how to do it on a budget. So we've already gotten started a little bit, but I want to show you what we did. Rondi has a bouquet in her hand that we got from Dollar Tree for $1 a piece. Look how many flowers are on this bouquet. All right, so Rondi, show them how it's done, honey.
Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna separate our flowers in the bouquet, as Natalia says.
Bouquet, but we like how she says it better.
Yes, much better. And then we're just gonna take some little wire cutters and we're gonna snip them as close to the bottom as we possibly can so we can keep the stems kind of long.
Now that we have all our stems cut, we're just gonna pick alternating colors from the different piles. And then, so I used pink last, I'm gonna use white again, push my greenery kind of up to the top. I'm gonna take the flower and go right up under the last piece of greenery. Then, Dollar Tree floral tape, $1. And I'm going to take the tape and just wrap it around. There you go. So that's how we're making this, and then we're just going to keep going and we'll show you the end result in just a second. This is it. This is the final product. We hope you liked how it turned out. It was only a few dollars because everything came from Dollar Tree. We can use this for spring and Easter, but you can also use this in decorating like a little girl's room or a nursery or something like that. So we hope you got value out of this. Please comment below. Tell us what's the next season that you would like to see a DIY, and we're going to come up with something super creative just for you. Also, subscribe and ring the little bell for notifications so the next time we have a video, you'll know about it immediately. I'm Carrie Lawless. We are Designaholics, and thanks so much for watching.